As a seasoned outdoor road trip enthusiast, I know all too well the various unexpected situations that can arise on the road. With FarReach A1, you'll never be caught off guard again. It has a robust 20,000 mAh battery delivering 2,000 amps peak current to jumpstart your engine quickly. Imagine a sunny day and you're ready to embark on a driving trip, but sometimes little mishaps can occur. Fortunately, FarReach A1 features a maximum pressure of 150 psi and 4+ in modes, with a clear LCD display to monitor the process and high-efficiency inflation that saves you time and effort. Easily inflating car tires, motorcycle tires, bicycles, sports balls, SUP paddleboards, and outdoor inflatable tents. It also monitors tire pressure in real time, helping you adjust it as needed for enhanced safety and convenience. As night falls, the outdoor environment becomes more intriguing and complex. That's when FarReach A1's top-mounted LED light comes into play. With up to 400 lumens to pierce through the night, providing ample illumination. Its USB-A and Type-C charging ports support fast charging technology up to 66 watt, quickly powering your devices. Whether you're lighting up your camp or finding your way, FarReach A1 is your reliable companion. With FarReach A1, your in-car rescue tool, all in one solution.